Good morning, Sakina, once again, and to our viewers at home. It's still a waiting game as we speak right now. We are told that flight has touched down. It's just a matter of just the processes in terms of how those tourists that are coming here or travelers from China will be escorted through OR Tambo International Airport. You can imagine that as we speak right now, there's a hive of activity here to receive those that will be traveling from China or have traveled from China into South Africa. It's been 3 years of waiting where Air China is concerned, and today we're seeing delegates from the Chinese embassy. We're seeing delegates from South African tourism, as well as those public officials. Some of them are from AXA as well, and just those locals that are here are just ready for a hive of activity to celebrate as they welcome those travelers that will walk in any moment from now, from the terminal into this public area here. I'm going to invite into the conversation now the COO of SA South African Tourism, Nomasonto, who joins us this morning. It's an exciting one for SA Tourism. You are the ones that are leading charge here, and any moment from now, we're expecting that group to be arriving from this particular area. Welcome to the SABC.
Thank you so much, and good morning everybody watching from home. It is the big day that we've been waiting for. Finally, after 3 years, China is open for business, and for business from South Africa. We are more than excited to be welcoming tourists from China on Air China flying directly to Johannesburg from Beijing. This is the biggest news in tourism this week.
Of course, I mean, the economy has not been doing well, and we know very well that the tourism sector just feeds into the economy. And it's, efforts like this where we're seeing exchanges of travelers from one country to another, that tends to solidify the economy. How important is it just that those trade relations are solidified through this line that has been opened through Air China?
This is absolutely important. This is all about economic contribution. Tourism is one of the biggest economic contributors, and through this flight coming into South Africa now, it's opening a market for us from a tourism point of view, investment point of view, but also, as you're saying, contributing to the economy. So we are very, very excited that this is happening. Our trade partners are very excited because this has been one of those very strategic markets for us. This is a BRICS partner, so we've been waiting for this day to happen, because as a long-haul destination, it's been impossible for people to actually get to China. I mean, China has been the last market to open up post-COVID-19. So this is more than exciting news for the economy of South Africa, and of course for the Chinese economy, I would assume, because there's a lot of activity, investment and trading between the two countries. So as you are saying, it's an economic story for us, and it is an exciting day for us.
Of course. So what can we expect just as we move from welcoming them into this airport? We know very well that there's a program that will get underway where various officials, even those that are from China, will form part of that process.
Obviously, it's important for us. South Africa is a very welcoming destination. We want to welcome them the way that South Africa, is known to be welcoming to all its visitors. So we're going to do a big welcoming ceremony for them here at the airport. But these are tourists that are coming here. So they're just coming into Johannesburg, then they're flying to Cape Town. So they're just transiting. So they'll come in here, we'll do a bit of a pomp and ceremony to say welcome, and then they're going actually to Cape Town to continue enjoying their holiday. Then they'll come back to Gauteng to actually close off their holiday. I believe they're also going to Sun City. So these guys are just on holiday. They're more than happy to be able to finally come to South Africa and enjoy the beauty of this destination, our wildlife, our nature, our open spaces, our beach destination. So they are here as tourists. So we will do the ceremony, and we will talk to the to the embassy, but we will also let them do what they're here for.
Yeah, Nomasonto, thank you very much for that. She's coming through from South African Tourism. An exciting moment as we speak right now. Anytime from now, Sakina, we're expecting to see that group. We are told there are about 16 of them are coming from China, and you heard from Nomasonto that they'll be moving on to Cape Town and back into Johannesburg, and this is where they'll be leading the way in opening those routes. But then it's back to you in studio for now, Sakina.